Hi friends, my today's introduction is to going to introduce you about a waterproof footwear. Yes, I am going to introduce you from its unpacking part by part. Let's go. See the carpet before me, and I am going to unpacking the packet. The company is there. It is showing too difficult, but yeah, the company Khadims. The company name is Khadims. It is showing here, and I am unpacking it. Yes, yes, I am unpacking it. I am unpacking the packet. See the bag, the recycled environment friendly bag, and the variations of Khadims: British Workers, Pro, Lajat, Turk, Elko, yes, Elko, Saron, and Softek. And they are the Bontrio. They are the variations of the Khadim's company. Means surname. You can say the surname. See the logo here. You can see this logo. It is very friendly logo for recycled objects. Means this paper is made with the recycled objects. See the logos here. Genuine plastic, virgin plastic, 50 plus micron, and I have said before that they are the variations, and my objective is to describe this pro. Yes, means my shoes is pro, so not footwear is in pro division. Yes, here is my bill. This is my bill from a retail shop. All is written hand here. You can see this. The price is 499, and below is the signature. And here is the brush with twin facility. It is a shoe brush with soft bristle and hard bristles also. See the finish, very good finish to grab. The hard bristles are here. Here these are hard bristles. You can see it's quite hard, and they are soft to polish, very soft to polish. The hard bristles is used to remove plaque and soft to polish. This is plastic brass, yes, the plastic finish, but like wood. You can do it very smoothly. And now my objective is to open the shoe. Yes, I am going to open it. Yes, the packet here. You can see the khaki packet. Yes, FIFA packet. The box is made from recycled material, means recycled paper. The Pro from the House of Khadims, as it is written here. Also here you can see this. The packet is very much eco-friendly, and so the packet is not quite colorful, but according to the age of global warming it is very useful. And here is the product details. The size 8 means footwear size 8. It is a commodity footwear, quantity 1 pair. It's a commodity footwear, color black, the number here, size number in centimeter, and all is here. Now I am going to open this packet. Yes, I am going to open the packet, and I think it will take some time, but see the Khadim's paper is here and my shoe is here. See, not shoe, but it is a footwear. It's very useful for gardening or rough use. See, it is very sturdy, and you can use this in water. I am removing this. to keep the shoe intact. Yes, they are velvet like material but not pure velvet, but much better than the velvet. Here I am removing this also. This is the tag of Pro trendy sportswear, which gives you feet the maximum comfort when you are on the move. Means it help you in moving. You can move with it very fast with a sturdy grip. And I am showing about this footwear sometime after much more greater. I am cutting this with my scissor. I have cut the tag. I am opening the paper ball. Yes, and here is the footer, and I am taking this only one. This is the soft rubber. This is the velvet like object, a suede like object, and the stitches can also seen here. The very good stitches are here, and the company name is Pro by Khadims. See, the style is white border here, the white spot here, and all is maintaining style with a speeding situation. See, all the parts are very good, not only very good, very sturdy also. See the velcro, yes, or vamp. This vamp is used here instead of paste. You can get the better situation through water while you are wearing it. The velcro or vamp will support you. See the object totally. This is the clothes, hard clothes, over which the suede like material is stitched. And here, see that good material also here. What is here? And the base of the shoe, you can see it, very glazy. It's very glazy, but it is very sturdy and very affordable also, and very speedy in water. Yes, it can work through water also. The size 8 is showing, and I am showing something. I am testing the water on it. Yes, wait for some time, I'll test it. See, no paste is used here. No paste is used here. See, and it is better. Yes, I am going to test you the water drops with some time. Just wait for some time. Yes, 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 and here, see, like lotus leaves. See, no water is, and it is the good fine work. The sturdy work, yes, yes, the total shoe is quite fine as previous. Water has no effect in it, and see, and the wire needles. Open it, largen it, and insert the leg. See here, like this. Yes, like this, and this the leg and another leg. Yes, the other leg. See the other leg. See the kitasu. Yes, is here, and here. See how good it is. See, and here the good position. Bye bye.